In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a before and after slider on your Shopify website. To kick things off, you will need to make your way to the Elfsight website, an incredible platform offering a comprehensive set of high-quality widgets. Once you're on the Elfsight site, hover onto the dashboard and start searching for the before and after slider using the search bar. It would help to just type before, and the platform will deliver you relevant search results. When you spot it among these results, select that widget. Now you will see a list of templates you can choose from, left to right or up and down. Select whichever suits your needs. Following this, click on the Continue with this template button, which will direct you to start customizing the widget. In the Customization section, you'll find a Content section. Click on the Add Set button and start uploading your before image. Subsequently, upload the corresponding after image to make a complete set. You can even add a label to your set, something along the lines of before and after, to help your visitors understand the transitions better. Once you have done this, you can preview the slider and even delete any default sets if you feel it's necessary. Next up is the Layout section, where you will choose either a list or carousel display for multiple image sets. From here, you'll move to the Settings area. In this area, you will be able to select the image ratio, adjust the scroll direction to your preference, which could be either horizontal or vertical, and set the label position suitably. You will also be able to adjust the divider's initial position, ideally set at 50%, and control its thickness, plus manage its arrow visibility. In the Interaction Behavior subsection, you have the autonomy to decide whether your visitors interact by clicking and dragging or mere hovering over the slider. There's an option to enable full screen mode as well, should you deem it suitable for your store. In the final Style section, you can modify the background color to sync up with your existing theme. This is also where you would customize the heading color, font size, label colors, and other visual elements to your liking. Once you are pleased with the look, click Publish to finalize the widget. The next step will require you to select a plan. For instance, the basic plan, which accommodates up to 5,000 views per month. Once your plan is chosen, an embed code will be generated. This code needs to be copied and implemented on your Shopify site. So make your way back to your Shopify admin page and head into the page editor. In the editing menu, add a Custom Liquid section. Now paste that previously copied embed code into this newly created Custom Liquid section. Once everything is in place, save the changes. At once, your tailor-made before and after slider will be live and ready for your visitors to engage with on your store. We hope this tutorial proves helpful and intrinsically prompts you to create engaging visual experiences for your prospective customers.